I'm here in Minsk, Belarus. I'm in this really nice neighborhood, the downtown area. This town really surprised me. It's very modern, a really cool place. Gonna go check out the city a little bit, get some lunch, and yeah, just explore. The buses here are electric. It's very quiet, brand new, very different from the Ukraine and Moldova. The one cool thing here in Minsk is all these underground tunnels, and they cross the street underneath. You just need to know where to go up. Gonna meet up with the free alternative walking tour of Minsk. It's about a 2.5-hour walking tour. A little different than their basic walking tour, which I haven't done yet. I might do tomorrow. So, all right, let's go check it out. All right, we are at the Central Market, and this is the outdoor part of it, which is seasonal.
Water, lemon gas water, and also wear the same coins, yeah. And people, but the only feature that now there is special plastic glasses. You like worldwide. Those days there was absolutely different. There was one glass made of glass as well, not plastic, and all the people were drinking from the same glass. Oh. That's very nice.
All right, I got the lemonade. Yeah, it's a different taste.
Different, yeah.
All right, here we are at the indoor market. This building's huge. All right, so this is the indoor market. It's pretty large. So this is called the Sandy Box. It's a hipster food place and craft beer. This is a graffiti district. A few years ago they commissioned a bunch of graffiti artists to do a bunch of the stuff on the wall here. Now it's a cool area with shops and restaurants and bars. I think the bells are stuck. He's trying to turn them off with the remote. It's not working. I'm in this square and there's something going on. So we got this little street festival going on. We got all kinds of, I assume, Belarusian crafts. I am meeting up with the free Walking Tours Minsk again. I'm just looking for the meeting point. Should be somewhere around here. I think this is it. Grand opening of Carl's Jr. Let's go. That's my time here in Minsk. Did quite a bit. Did a couple free walking tours with Free Walking Tour Minsk. Met up with some cool people. I am off to Tallinn, Estonia next to work with the tourism board. So that should be interesting. So that's it from Minsk.